Good morning. Today you'll need your learner's book, your workbook, an exercise book and your pencil case. Today we'll be looking at pages 62 and 63 of your learner's book. Let's take a closer look. Look carefully for information in the picture. It will help you to solve the story problems on the next few pages. Here are some key words: puzzle, solution, problem, solve, predict, estimate, calculate. Let's read the story problems together. 1. How long will the people have to wait until the fairground opens? 2. How much will the queuing people spend on tickets in total? 3. Some children arrive at 6:30 p.m. How many minutes will they have until the fairground closes? 4. A group of adults and children arrived. There were 10 people altogether. They spent a total of $44. How many adults and how many children were there in the group? 5. Write your own word problem about how much it costs to go to the fairground with a group, or about how long they will have at the fairground. Now, pause the video and try answering the story problems. When you've finished, watch the video to check your answers. Now let's check your answers. Story problem number 1. How long will the people have to wait until the fairground opens? The clock in the fairground shows the time. It is 10:35. The fairground opens at 11 o'clock. So they will have to wait 25 minutes. Question number 2. How much will the queuing people spend on tickets in total? So the people queuing are here, and there are 4 adults and 9 children. So there are 4 adults and 9 children. The adults pay $5 times 4 adults is $20. The children pay $3 times 9 children is $27. $27 plus 20 equals $47. So the people queuing will pay a total of $47. Question number 3. Some children arrive at 6:30 p.m. Remember, p.m. means in the afternoon. How many minutes will they have until the fairground closes? So the fairground closes at 9 o'clock p.m. The children arrive at 6:30 p.m. So that's 6:30, 7:30, 8:30 and half an hour. So the children will have 2 hours and 30 minutes at the fairground. 2 hours is 60 minutes plus 60 minutes plus 30 minutes equals 150 minutes. Question number 4. A group of adults and children arrived. There were 10 people altogether. They spent a total of $44. How many adults and how many children were there in the group? So, the important thing here is that the group had 10 people. So, if you've done your calculations right, you'll find that there were 3 children who paid $3 each, equals 9, and there were 7 adults. 7 times 5 is 35. 3 children, 7 adults is 10 people altogether, and they spent a total of $44. Now, let's try this. For how many hours is the fairground open every day? For how many hours is it open for a whole week, so for 7 days? How much more would a child spend than an adult if he or she visited every day from Monday to Friday? So, that means if a child visited the fairground every day from Monday to Friday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, how much more would they spend than an adult going on one day, an adult spending $5? How much more would a child spend? For how many hours is the fairground open every day? Well, it opens at 11 o'clock in the morning and it closes at 9 p.m. So from 11 o'clock to midday is 1 hour. From midday to 9 p.m. is 9 hours. 1 hour plus 9 hours is 10 hours. It's open 10 hours every day. For how many hours is it open for a whole week? A whole week, so 7 days. It's open 10 hours in one day, and there are 7 days in a week, so 10 times 7 is 70 hours. In a week, it is open for 70 hours. Now for the last question. How much more would a child spend than an adult if he or she visited every day from Monday to Friday. So we said an adult would spend $5. How much more would a child spend going from Monday to Friday? So a child spends $3 times 5 days. 3 times 5 is $15. So a child would spend from Monday to Friday $15. $15 minus 5 is $10. So a child spends $10 more than an adult. That's all for today. Bye.